I will show you how to clear cache and junk files in Windows 11 to free up storage space and keep your system running fast. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We will cover 6 different methods, starting with the easiest one built right into Windows. Open the Start menu, go to Settings, then System, then Storage. Here you will see how your storage is being used. Click on Temporary Files. Windows will scan and show you a list of junk that is safe to delete. Things like Windows Update Cleanup, Recycle Bin, temporary internet files, and delivery optimization files. Check all the boxes you want to clean, then click Remove Files. Confirm when prompted and let it finish. Now scroll back up on the storage page and click Storage Sense. Turn it on. You can set it to run automatically daily, weekly, or monthly. This way Windows cleans junk in the background without you having to do it manually every time. Method 2, Disk Cleanup Tool. Press the Windows key. Type Disk Cleanup and open it. Select your C drive and click OK. It will scan for a moment. Once done, check all the file types you want to remove. Now click Clean Up System Files at the bottom. This unlocks extra categories like Windows Update Cleanup, which can recover several gigabytes on its own. Select your drive again. Check everything, click OK. Then delete files. Method 3, clearing the temp folder. Manually press the Windows key and the letter R at the same time to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and hit Enter. This opens your personal temp folder. Press Ctrl+A to select everything, then hit Delete. Some files will be in use and Windows will skip them. Just click Skip for all of those. The rest will be deleted. Now open Run again, and this time type just the word temp and hit Enter. This opens a second system temp folder. Do the same thing, select all and delete. Skip any locked files. Method 4, clearing the DNS cache. Open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Type this command, IP Protocol Configuration /flushtons, then press Enter. You will get a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This clears stored website address data that can sometimes cause browsing issues. Method 5, clearing the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the letter R at the same time. Type stressit.exe and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open. Just wait. It will close on its own and the Microsoft Store will launch automatically. That means the cache has been cleared successfully. Method 6, clearing browser cache. If you use Microsoft Edge, click the 3-dot menu at the top right, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, click Choose what to clear. Check cached images and files and cookies and other site data, then click Clear Now. If you use Google Chrome, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. A window will open. Set the time range to all time, check cached images and files along with cookies, then click Clear Data. You now have 6 different ways to clear cache and junk files in Windows 11. Run these regularly and your system will stay clean, fast, and clutter-free.